how to create a coloring book for kids using Canva AI and Book Creator. First, set your page dimensions and please read how to use Canva for creating your art. You can pause video and read it again. First, open Canva website and then click Create a Design at the top right. Select Custom Size and then put in the dimensions. After that, select Magic Media and then change from images to graphics. And then look for a monoline. Change style and then enter a description. So I put a dinosaur coloring books for kids aged 4 to 8 with scenery. The lines should be thick and clear without any shading or fine detailed lines. Okay, select an image and adjust its size to fit your page. Next, I use the same keywords or description, but I change the graphic style from monoline to doodle. For the free membership, Canva only give you 50 credits. So each time you generate art, Canva will minimize your credits. I use the same keywords again, and the graphic style is doodle. Okay, after you finish generating art, select Share and select Download. It will be PNG files. Next, I want AI to create a dinosaur image. So I change from graphic to images. And I have to change the keywords. But I will select style first. So I select concept art. And then after that, I will change the keywords. I will use these images for creating a cover. Next, download them. Okay, open Book Creator app. This is my temporary cover. Go to page 1. I have already put margins for page 1. Page 1 is actually a cover, but I will put the first art here. Okay, next you will need to duplicate more pages. So how to duplicate? Hold and click copy. And then every page has margins. Okay, and then I will show you how to add dinosaur graphics. Click plus sign at the top right. At the bottom, click media and then click photo. And then looking for the first dinosaur graphics. It's done. I also added a front cover and a back cover. This is my final result. Okay, and finally, you can export it as PDFs. This is the PDF files. You can print it as a gift for your kids. Next, I will share with you some tips. Please pause this video and read it again. It's about Canva reasoning and copyright explained. Next, I will show you free download coloring books and the one that you have to pay $27 a month. The first one is the publisher's voucher. And the second website is Creative Fabrica. You can search keywords coloring books for kids and filter freebie. So it will show you the free download versions. For the third option, learn how to draw with me or subscribe me now. Okay, thank you for watching.